Hey, today I'm going to work on tuples. You're probably thinking, well, what's a tuple? What's a tuple? Tuples are where it's kind of like a list where you can have a bunch of information together and you could just call it. Like for example, right here, you have we printed this list and all this is right here versus a tuple. You cannot change the information once it's in there. So let's go ahead and get started. And let's go ahead and do a tuple, very similar to a list. So we'll call it this list, okay? Equals, and we'll, like the last examples that I did, we'll do fruits again, apple, pear, and we'll do peach. Okay, and when we print this, you can print, and we call it this list. And it's going to, I probably should have called this tuple. Make it less confusing. Make sure we call it tuple. So this tuple, we're going to change the name of it. Oh, and watch, you see, like, I love PyCharm. It's like rename. Yeah, just want to see what it says. Oops, that looks like we can do a lot more than what I needed it to do. So let's just do, see, there goes this tuple. So let's go reprint it. There we go, this tuple. The tuples, like I said, they are used to store multiple items in a single variable. And tuples are written with the round brackets, not the hard brackets. I'm not sure if those are universal signs, but that's what I'm using. It's just very similar to a list. You can have multiples. So let's go ahead and put another apple in there. And let's put another, let's put some cherries in there. Cherry. I'm not sure if you're into cherries or where you live, but my favorite type of cherries are Rainier cherries, and they're from Mount Rainier in Washington. At least that's what the person at the grocery store told me. Hopefully they're not lying and someone's like going, that's not true. Once again, you can have your duplicate, and just like you can have, we're gonna do a len function, no capitals, and find out the length. And in PyCharm, just do, highlight it, you can put your parentheses around things. Every IDE is different, and you get the length 6. And you know what, we're just gonna go ahead and copy this over for my examples. And same thing, a lot of the same. Paste, does it paste over? Yes, it does. So same thing that we did before. So print tuple 1, we'll print tuple 2, and print tuple 3. Like I said, very similar to the list. It's just differences. You cannot change this information. There we go. So that's just a quick little snippet of what a tuple is. Stay tuned, got some really cool projects coming. Going to be using the list functions and using the tuple functions. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and talk to you later. See you in the next video.